Welcome to a new video on AlHuTV. Today for you, the eufy C15, a super smart robotic lawn mower. And some of you may have already mowed the lawn outside once or twice this year. It has rained from time to time, even here with us. And yes, that can get a bit annoying. And if you don't feel like mowing by hand for the rest of the year, the eufy C15 is exactly what you need. It's suitable for 500 square meters. It comes with some really cool features, and clearly a huge advantage here is that it's ready to use within 5 minutes. Just set up the base station and configure the robot, and then you can jump straight into auto mapping right away. This works fully automatically. You don't have to follow it around during auto mapping. And yes, I filmed the whole thing to show what it looks like, and it's super simple and really pleasant. And then, once it's done, you can view the map. You might want to adjust one thing or another here, but you can do it all comfortably from your sofa. And that's what sets the eufy C15 apart. It's so smart, and above all, it handles auto mapping better than almost any other on the market, I have to say. It's a really awesome model, I have to say, and now we're going to take a closer look at it. Yes, as I mentioned, one of the important points is the easy setup. That's one thing. But why is it so easy? That's because of the so-called U4 True Vision that we have here. It's located right here in the front and can detect over 300 obstacles. And this camera technology is what makes the auto mapping work so well, but of course it also benefits many other things. Yes. And here we simply don't have any signal loss, which means we can always just relax and not worry about it. Some of you might know the situation where the MyRob or sometimes loses the RTK signal or loses connection. That doesn't happen here. And that's what's really great, that it can continue to navigate using the camera system. And it's so incredibly pleasant and as reliable as almost no other. That's exactly what sets the eufy C15 apart here. As I said, in this case, in combination with the camera technology that is installed here. In my example, I also placed a hedgehog here, and here too you can clearly see how the whole thing works. It definitely comes to a stop. Nothing happens here. As I said, it turns at the top. More than 300 obstacles are detected here. And even if I set this up again in a pen with bars, like my sample, you can also clearly see here that it navigates its way out without any problems. It doesn't get stuck on any of the bars here. It just works really well. And I might be repeating myself a bit here, but it works better than many others I've had the chance to test. It definitely does that. Eufy out. But let's stick to mowing, the core business of our smart lawn mower. The core business, of course, works excellently. Here in the time lapse, I'll just let it run. You can clearly see how it moves along its paths, very coordinated. But even here, it avoids the lawn sprinkler. I don't drive over it. And these are the kinds of things that simply set it apart from many others. We also have the option to adjust all of this. With the smaller model here, the eufy C15, we have this manual adjustment option for our rotating plate, which is located underneath. And here we can select a cutting height between 20 and 60 millimeters. Yes, and as I said, it can easily handle up to 500 square meters here. And you could see that here on my property as well. It really does an excellent job. And even along the edges, yes, it goes as close as it possibly can. But that's also really nice because the robotic mower here still looks as good as it did on the first day. And even though it was running, you often get stuck here and there on my flat stones. It's not a big deal, definitely not, but still, this is where you can see the difference in detection. It's simply better here, because the robotic mower never got stuck anywhere the whole time. And that just shows how well the navigation actually works. Maybe that's another positive point to add on top, that you should also focus on this aspect, especially if someone has a tricky garden. It can definitely happen that one robotic mower or another might get stuck here and there. But here, the navigation is really excellent. Another important point, of course, is the passageways you have here. I have this one path that it drives through here. It's actually quite wide, I should mention, and there are absolutely no problems. And it can get through passages up to 60 centimeters wide here. And it does that here without any issues. The whole thing is handled in a very intelligent way, I have to say, because the mowing direction is actually different. It adapts itself since it also recognizes the narrow passage here. That too is solved very cleverly here. And that, as I said, is one thing. The other thing is, of course, on the other side of the garden, I have a much narrower passage, which is really only about 50 centimeters wide. But even here, it simply drives up to the second mowing area without any problems. and it continues up there. And that's even with an incline that I have here, because it can handle up to 32%, or rather up to 18 degrees of incline here. And that's also the case in my example here. And I should mention, the lawn was a bit wet here. It had no trouble overcoming all of this. So that's wonderful as well. And it just works everywhere with the robotic mower. So whether it's a narrow passage, wide mowing areas, or the mowing edges, it has simply shown itself to be very intelligent everywhere. And that's actually exactly how you would imagine it. And because it's so smart, of course, it also comes with an app. I'd like to briefly show you the app. It's very simple, but I think it also has one or two important features that I definitely want to show you. Yes, before we continue with the app, I just want to quickly give you at least one more tip. The Mower boarder is currently available for only 849 euros. You can find all the details again in the description below. There's a 150 euro discount. You should definitely take advantage of it. With the garage, as I said, for 849 euros, that's really a bargain. And now I'll show you the app. So in the app, we can clearly see the robotic mower. Here we can see the last mowing session. Of course, I've done quite a bit of work here. It's still updating a bit, and of course it's having a bit of trouble with the signal here. It's like a bunker down here in the studio. But nonetheless, let's take a look at the whole thing, because there are a few features here that are really very helpful. Now you can see the entire robotic mower. You can see what it has already mowed, which is highlighted a bit brighter than the areas that still need to be mowed. As I said, I ran several tests with it, but I also let it run through completely once. And what is also very important here is that you can edit the map however you like. I'm going to click on edit now and can edit a zone here, which I'll do now. I can also merge them. So everywhere you see this line, that's essentially a separate zone. I've created more zones here, which makes everything a bit easier. And here, if during the automatic mapping you have a run and it doesn't automatically go up, it's absolutely no problem, because in the editing mode, you can create a path for yourself, a pathway. That way you can go right up to the point where the lawn almost ends. It tells you, okay, this is where the path begins. In my case, that's where the slope upwards starts. And at the top, I then said this is where the path ends. Then it starts with the second one. You can start again with an auto mapping. And here, it creates the next lawn edge. You can do that again as well. You can do this for the next lawn area, which might be separated by a path or something similar. So you can edit this at any time. I know there are one or more robots where after mapping, that's it. If you want to create something like that, you often have to start from scratch. That's not a problem at all here. You can also, as I just showed, divide up the lawn area again here. So that's also possible, yes, and absolutely no problem, which is also very interesting. You can also set the driving direction, yes, however you prefer. As you can see, you can adjust it just the way you want to handle everything. That's not an issue at all. Adjust blade speed, driving speed, lane spacing, these are little things you can optimize. As I said, you also have the option here to select the individual mowing zones. As you can see, you could now say, I want to mow this mowing zone or only this specific mowing zone. That's possible too. You can create a box here, so specifically target an area. You can say, I want to mow here and nowhere else. That's also possible. You often know this from vacuum and mopping robots at home. It's not an issue here at all. Starting and charging happens automatically. And yes, of course, you can check the schedule and mowing history. You can already see the usual setting options. I can use the camera here as a live camera and follow everything in real time. That's possible too. And if I really feel like it, I can even control it manually. That's also possible. These are all typical setting options. Now, I don't want to make it more complicated than it needs to be. Because actually, the basic function, which is really important for me, is, as I said, to be able to edit everything again after the auto mapping. That's really important, and it's absolutely top-notch here. I have to say that. Creating a path is super easy. There's absolutely no fuss or issues with it at all. Super easy. And you can also set the directions here, and it's of course possible to do this for each individual mowing zone as well. That's no problem either. The robot comes with everything you need and really at a fantastic price of 849 euros. I have to emphasize again, it's also linked below in the description. Take a look at it. It's definitely a top-notch robotic mower. And for those of you who, as I said, have already had to mow a few times this year, you can really consider whether you want to grab this bargain or not. The garage, as I mentioned, is included in the price. Really top-notch. You can find all the details below in my description. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Yes, cool device, and definitely stay tuned until next time on AlHuTV.